Welcome. If you're having trouble downloading files from Telegram Web on your PC after the latest update, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through a few easy steps to help fix the issue and get your downloads working again. Let's get started. The first thing to try is closing and reopening your browser. Sometimes, simply restarting the browser can clear up any temporary glitches that might be preventing downloads from starting. So, close the browser completely, wait a few seconds, and then open it back up. After that, try downloading the file again and see if it works. If that doesn't solve the problem, try restarting your device. Sometimes, a full reboot can help resolve any underlying issues affecting your downloads. To restart your PC, press the Windows icon, click the power icon, and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds, then press the power button to turn your PC back on. Once your computer has restarted, open Telegram Web again, and check if the download issue is resolved. If that still doesn't help, try connecting to a different network. Weak or unstable internet connections can cause downloads to fail. To switch networks, go to the notifications area at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the network icon. From there, you can select a different Wi-Fi network and see if your download works after that. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable. A slow or intermittent connection might be the reason your downloads aren't working. To check your connection, click on the network icon again and verify that you're connected to a reliable and fast network. If the connection is weak, try resetting your router or switching to a different network. If the problem persists, clearing your browser's cache might help. Cached files can sometimes interfere with downloads. To do this, click on the three dots or menu icon at the top of your browser. Then select Settings. From the Settings menu, find and click Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. In the window that pops up, make sure to select Cached Images and Files, then click Clear Data. After clearing the cache, go back to Telegram Web and try downloading your file again. And that's it. These simple steps should help you fix any issues with downloading files on Telegram Web for PC.